Hi everyone, can you all hear me? Bhavya, Deepak, Padma, Gopi, Shripati. Hello, can you all hear me? You all on mute.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
we can
I
hear
can
you.
hear you.
Thank
Yes,
you
sir.
so much. So, just want to go ahead with you before I start the demo. We'll wait for others to join. Okay. In meanwhile, like we can discuss about ourselves and we can start interacting with each other. So, coming to myself, I'm your data analyst trainer and I'm Shrikant and I'm into IT industry from past 18 years and having a vast experience into business intelligence projects and handling with multiple tools and technologies. So coming to this training part, like from past 10 plus years, I've done around like 1600 plus online resource trainings onto this various tools, business intelligence, ETL, as well as reporting. So coming to this data analytics training, we do training with handling with four different skills. One skill is like structured query language, and the second skill is with Tableau, Power BI, and Snowflake. So during this training, most of the part like we will do with the practical oriented understanding and a project focused understanding. Okay, so you can go ahead with your one by one introduction, and you can just introduce about yourself, like what is your current experience, like you're a student or like you have done anything, you're currently working, trying for a upskill. You can start one by one. Bindu, Deepak, anyone. Like you can unmute your mic and you can introduce about yourself. Yeah.
Hey, Shrikant. Deepak here, Shrikant. Well, I'm just driving, okay? You may have to give me another 5-10 minutes. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure. No problem, Deepak. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey Shrikant, good morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Bindu. I'm housewife only.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
No
I
problem.
don't have any kind of experience
No,
into IT.
no
I'm
need
not.
of, no need of
Yeah.
any
Mhm.
understanding. Like
Yeah.
many of the
Mhm.
trainings, like I do training for most of the people who are from US.
Mhm.
They're most of the time housewives, and even like some people get trained with me, like who are after finishing their masters, they'll go come for training, and after joining their job, if they want to do their upskill, they'll come for training, and
Okay.
if they want to start working once again after a long break, then also they'll
Mhm.
get trained. Okay, technology
Okay.
is very easy. Just don't make it anyone like don't look at it a complexity part. Like only thing is like how you learn driving, right? One
Mm-hmm.
after day, day after day, and all. That's similarly like you can learn any technology, not only this part, any
Yeah.
technology.
Agree.
Okay,
Yeah.
don't
I'm a
worry.
housewife.
I'll
Actually, I don't. I completed my BTech in 2013. Since 10 years, I have nothing to do
okay.
because I don't have proper visa to do also. I've been into Dubai
Okay.
and after no, like in 2020 we came to US and right now I have
Got
applied for my EAD. In few months I'm going to get it. So meanwhile I can join this training. I thought of joining this training. Yeah.
No problem. No
Yeah.
problem. Just
It may be
everyone
helpful. Yeah.
just
Uh-huh.
travel with me for around like 3 months. If you
Sure.
don't
Awesome.
have any experience, if you are with zero knowledge also, I'll make sure
Okay.
like after finishing your training, you will be very confident that an
Oh,
experienced person of 3 years or 4 years, how he will work or he or she work with the project, to that level,
okay.
I can bring you all. Okay, that's my aim.
Sure. 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 Thank you so much for giving me good confidence level.
Don't worry. Yeah, sure.
హాయ్
Yeah.
అండి.
Hi, Shripati. Yeah.
హాయ్ అండి. నా పేరు పూర్ణిమ.
Hi, Purnima. Yeah.
నేను హౌస్ వైఫ్. నాకు నేను 2013 పాస్ ఔట్.
Okay.
నాకు ఏమి వర్క్ ఎక్స్‌పీరియన్స్ లేదండి.
That's
సో,
fine. No problem.
జాబ్
Like మీకు
చేస్తున్నా.
అంటే like if I teach you something in English మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
యాహ్! అర్థమవుతుందండి.
That's fine. That is enough for me. Okay. Reason like we don't know like many people will be joining training, right? If someone will understand Telugu or not, I don't know. That's
ఓకే.
why I'll try to make session in English itself. So if you are able to follow that, that is fair enough for me. Okay.
ఓకే.
I'll make you perfect with the training. Okay, right.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి.
Yeah. How about you, Kiran?
Yeah. Hi Srikant, this is Kiran. I'm working data engineering since 4 years
Okay.
as a developer. Now I am interested to learn for analysis for reporting generations like.
Okay, got it. In data engineering means you are using Python, PySpark as well as AWS or Azure.
Yeah, my cloud AWS and Azure data warehouse is my target, and
Okay.
I use a orchestration tool Airflow.
Okay. So
La-
pipelining and all, how you are designing?
Sorry,
Airflow you are using?
for orchestration to
Yes.
scheduling, monitoring pipelines.
Pipelines you
Using,
are using Airflow.
yeah, using
Airflow.
DAG.
Okay, got it. Okay, understood your profile,
And
Kiran.
my primary skills are Python and SQL coming to languages.
Got it. So, but for here, SQL, you need to bear for 2, 3 weeks because like we'll be going from scratch for everyone. Okay.
Sure, sure, no problem.
Okay, because like all others will be very freshers. So after SQL, like you will learn new, like working with Tableau, Power BI, and Snowflake. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So how about you,
So
Padma?
even I'm aware of SQL Andi.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
like kind of basics, not
Okay.
the pro version.
SQL, like here during the training, we take Oracle
Mm-hmm.
database SQL.
Acha,
Reason
okay,
why
fine.
we take Oracle database is I'm having one real-time data set, okay, which we can set up it on Oracle database, okay, and
Okay,
we are
okay.
along with working with transaction level data, Excel level data, and I'm going to teach you out how we will design a data model in
Mm-hmm.
Tableau Power BI using a warehouse data. And that
Okay.
warehouse data we can set up in Oracle database. That's why we choose Oracle. Okay.
Oh, that's why I was
And
wondered why you mentioned the Oracle.
yeah,
Even my husband saw this curriculum and he was thinking why he mentioned
no, no,
Oracle.
I'll tell you. Like
Yeah,
we
he's
will do
into
that.
data analytics. My
Ah,
husband is into data analytics
yeah.
and like he's into
So
SAP, basically, reporting
I'm
side.
I'm going to teach you along with
Mm-hmm.
development how a migration
Uh-huh.
project will work from
Oh, cool.
Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition reporting tool to Tableau
Mm-hmm.
and OBI to Power BI. How we can do a migration, how we can identify if a client is going to migrate himself from one
Mm-hmm.
tool to
Mm-hmm.
other tool, how you need to analyze his requirement, how you need to fix it, and how you need to help him. Like that, we are
Okay.
going to
Okay.
do. That's the
Yeah.
reason like we are going to use that data.
Yeah. That's my next question. You answered it right now. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Padma, Padma, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, Padma.
Hi Shrikant, good morning.
Yeah.
Myself Padma. Actually, I'm into IT industry from last 5 years.
Okay.
I'm a Power BI developer, but I need more practice on this Power BI side. Actually, it's a practical side. I want to learn something. So that's the reason we are enrolled this. But in this Tableau and SQL also there, right?
Yeah, you'll have SQL first, then you'll
Okay.
have Tableau, then you'll have
Okay.
Power BI, then you'll have Snowflake. So why
Okay.
you all will get a question like why we are taking all these different tools. Remember, even if you are working with data analytics projects or data
Yes.
science projects or data engineering projects, SQL is a base fundamental. Okay, your data will be residing at some database. Okay, if you want to get that data information, you need to send an SQL command to the data source, whichever data source it is connecting. Either it is on cloud, either it is on Oracle, either it is on Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2, whatever it, MongoDB, whatever it is. Remember,
Okay.
SQL structured query language. This structured query language is not at all tough. The only thing is like you need to understand how to frame your SQLs. That's all. If you take 10,000 lines of SQL, remember, select from where. Your entire SQL will be binded within these three keywords only. It will
Yes.
not go beyond it. your entire SQL will be binding in these three keywords only. If you know how to wisely use these three keywords properly when you are working on any database, automatically you can master your SQL skills. Okay. Next, why we
Okay.
are taking Tableau and Power BI in combination. Okay. Gartner is an organization where it review every tool and technology which is there in the market. Okay. Every quarter it releases its quarterly announcements. Okay. From 2020 onwards, Tableau and Power BI are most preferred business intelligence reporting visualization tools from Gartner's review. And moreover, clients started focusing moving out of Oracle practice, SAP practice into Tableau because of the license cost and all. And most premium reporting also we can do with Tableau. It's always good to have 2 to 3 reporting tools if you are working with an analyst. If you are working with data engineering tools, 2 to 3 ETL as well as reporting tools in your profile, it's a must in the market. Got it? Either
Yeah.
like if you're going for a job with Tableau, in future, if they might go with Power BI, they'll not check for a new resource. They'll try to use your skill for their new project. Okay, that's the way you will get advantage when you are learning multiple skill sets.
Okay. So
Hmm.
what about real-time projects?
So here, whatever we do, right? I don't teach a single day session also theory.
Okay.
Every day we do it in practical only. Okay,
Okay.
95% of the training we do it in practical only. There won't be any theoretical sessions at all. Okay, so whatever
Okay.
we do it in practical, every day once we finish, like we will do the assignments, and every student I'll give them a chance to, if other student get once the training gets started, we will work like a team, like a project team. Okay, if
Okay.
one person is having a issue, others is going to fix that issue.
Got
Like
it.
that kind of interactive sessions we are going to do during this entire training process. Okay, and moreover, like I'll after finishing our projects and all, and I'll encourage every person to do their walkthrough sessions sharing their screens. Okay, reason is when they do their walkthrough, they will understand what kind of technical terminology they need to use when they're trying to explain their profile to other person during their interview or client interactions, whatever it is. Just every some people might be technically strong, some people might be vocally strong in communication. Just I want to correct those two, so that if we have technical and vocal in place, every project runs smooth. You all agree with me?
Yeah, it's obviously.
Right. So there needs a correction. That correction I'm going to do during this training.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah. So how about you, Kiran? Kiran, yeah, I think you introduced, right?
Yeah, yeah. This is Kiran, myself, Srikanth. I have given introduction before.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Gopi?
Yes, Srikanth, sir, good morning. This is Gopi. Uh, Currently, I'm working in banking in IT department.
Okay.
Uh, and now my role is to generate the reports to the management.
Okay.
So MIS reports.
Okay. Okay.
Currently, we are using Excel and Postgres database.
Got it.
So
Mhm.
that's why.
Understood your requirement. So you want to upskill your skill strong,
Yes,
so
yes,
that
sir.
like you can help your everyday job profile,
Day
like
to day.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
day-to-day activities. Got it. Got your understanding. No problem. Like you can join this training, and you will be learning all additional skills also, so that like it will
Yes.
be helpful for you to work in your work environment. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Chandrakant?
Hi Shrikant, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So actually, I am looking for entry level roles for a data analyst and a business analyst.
Okay. Okay.
So actually, I have a bit of knowledge on SQL and Power BI and Tableau.
Okay.
So I just want to brush up my skills on SQL and both of those like other tools as well. So I have joined this and I'm actively applying for jobs as well.
Got it. Fine.
Yeah.
No problem. You can continue this training and you'll be learning. My teaching will be a little bit different. Like you'll be learning different, mostly like even if I cover like 50% of what you have learned, 50% difference you can see during the training. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So, like you all know like why I started training resources. I'll tell you. So
Sure.
when I first started training resources, I'm a fresher. Okay. I started sharing my knowledge sharing long back from 2010 onwards. So what happened like when I started sharing my knowledge, I used to get in every training three kind of resources. Okay. One resource with very zero knowledge. Okay. And one resource is with the mid-level, one resource with having a very great experience, like 10 years, 15 years of experience, but still they're upskilling themselves. So I used to get three different types of questions from each and every person I'm training. Out of that, I'm able to answer 50% of their questions. 50% of questions I am unable to answer. Then what I used to do, I used to note down those questions, research on it, and I used to help them in getting clarification. Like that, I learned a lot handling all these technologies. Remember, when you go for a job or after finishing your training, remember you try to teach someone of your friend or any of your brother or sister, whoever it is. Okay, so that you will get questions in back. If you are able to answer 80% of the question, even if you go for your interview also, you will be able to answer. Clear? You all agree with me? This is the simple cheat code which you can follow. Hello.
Yes, Srikanth, you said correct.
Got it? For Bindu.
Yeah, we do agree. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Andy.
so it's very simple, Andy. Like just only thing is like whatever you learn, you try to share with others. Okay, that's what I'm
Sure,
going to
sure.
do
Thank
during this
you.
training also. I'll just make this session interactive with everyone during the training, so that like you people can share your knowledge among yourself. Like you'll get a lot of questions. Okay, so if you are fixing one's issue, one person issue, then means you are learning something out of it. Okay, like that we will learn in real time. Okay, right. Okay, let me share my screen. I'll just make you understand basic understanding about data analytics first of all, then we will go in practical. Okay, right. Okay, once you are able to view it, just let me know. I'm sharing my screen. You all were able to view it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, right. So let me tell you a uh, simple scenario. Okay, data analytics. Okay, I want to ask you before I start this demo. I just want to ask you all one simple question. So when you go for any trip along with your friends, okay, you want to note down your expenses. Where you will note down?
Good.
You want to note down your expenses. You
Usually we do in splitwise.
you split wise, or you
Yeah.
can save it into your Excel
Yes, yes. Of
into
course. Yeah.
Word. So somewhere you are saving. Even if when you are going for a college or school, if a teacher is teaching you on board, we are noting down some information in our notebook. That is also a data information, whatever it is. After that, we will memorize that and will note down in our exams. Correct? Right. Similarly, whenever we go with any organization data, generally, they prefer storing their data information into multiple sources. Excel data source, Oracle database data source, SQL Server, or they'll be storing in cloud also sometimes. Okay, right. Let's take a simple example. Apple is an mobile manufacturing company, correct? Right?
Yes, Srikanth.
Okay. So when we go with Apple, Kiran, I'm just muting it because some disturbance is from your end. So it's getting recorded. Okay. Yeah. Uh, Apple, when we know that it's a manufacturing company, mobile manufacturing company, so that like by default it will have a manufacturing department. I'm just trying to explain you and understand, because since we have freshers also here, how a data will be generated, okay, in each and every department. Manufacturing department will have manufacturing related information that they will save it in one place. We call it as a manufacturing data. So once the product is getting manufactured, that will be taken care by the sales team to finish that sale. Okay. So sales department will have the sales information, how the sales went, like which person purchased that. All this information can be under the sales department. And once the revenue generate, it will be under the finance department. So finance department will have the finance data. Okay. And next you'll have HR data, where all these employees will be working at one place. That particular data, we call it as an HR data. Correct? This point freshers should understand. So who all there, like Pujita, Padma, Shripati, you all understood?
Yes.
Right? Fine.
Yeah.
Say they stored their data information into Excel, manufacturing data, sales information into Oracle, finance information into Microsoft SQL Server, HR data information into, let's say, Snowflake Cloud. Okay. So you are a manager and you want to log into your system and you need to read that information for a meeting. Okay. If you want to double click and open it in Excel or in a SQL database, you cannot directly double click and open. You need to write your structured query language. For that, you need a technical skill set where you know SQL writings and where you can write your SQL and get your information for your front end. That takes a lot of time in your busy schedule to do that work. Okay, let's take a simple and fair example. You are having, yeah, you all do with your online shopping, right? Amazon shopping you do, correct? Suppose if you want to purchase an iPhone, can anyone give me an example what steps you do on your Amazon site?
First, we need to search for the particular
Correct. In the search
brand,
tools,
RAM, whatever it is. We are identify whichever the fields we require.
right?
Then we need to add into cart, and then we need to verify with the offers whatever it is there. If is there any offers it is relevant to me, we can apply. Otherwise, we can directly purchase that product.
Perfect. Okay. So first you will search it, right?
Yeah.
Let's say you searched mobile phones. Okay. So what Amazon is doing, Amazon is having the data information about mobile phones at their data source. For the front end user, they're trying to give that information in a very interactive way with pictorial representation, all the descriptions there, everything, so that even user also can filter from the left side panel which color he want or which model they want. Like they can select that and they can add it to the cart. They're just making the front end UI interface user life easy, purchasing their product from their warehouse, and that data information from their database they are showcasing into the front end in an useful interactive way. Correct? You all agree with me? That makes life. Suppose if you want to write a SQL there to their database and to get that information, it will be so tough for you all. Correct? Hello?
Yes, Andy.
Right? Okay. In real time also, when we have an organization level data, why we need a reporting or a visualization tools in real time, we are going to discuss here. Okay. So when you want to apply and get the retrieved data information from your database, so you need to go with structured query language. During the training, first we are going to learn SQL in our learning process. Then we will learn reporting tools like Tableau and Power BI. What Tableau and Power BI can do? Tableau and Power BI can connect to any data source and it can bring in the information into the environment, and it can, using those tools, we can develop the meaningful insights of the data. Whatever the customer is having a requirement, we can provide it that meaningful insights to the customer so that it makes customer life easy for understanding his data. Okay, let's say Ratan Tata is not there, is a great person. So when he's there, like if we want to see the sales analysis of a particular Tata model Safari from past 6 months, he cannot go to each and every salesperson and get the sales report, right? There he should have some dashboard or interactive report. If he opens that, it should show him a filter option where he can filter 6 months of analysis sheet. Correct?
Yes.
Right? Like that, senior management needs an reporting solution that gives their daily analysis of their data, and they can take a quick business decision. That's the way these reporting tools help in fetching the information from a data source and develop an output out of it. Okay, right. So, why we are taking a Snowflake into consideration in our training is Snowflake is also become very popular tool, one of the marking tool in the market now, currently trending, where many of the clients are moving out of their regular practice into Snowflake. Okay. During this training, I will encourage you all to do the certifications which are free from organizations. I'll guide you how you can do it, how you can achieve it, so that we are learning these tools, and we are going to make ourselves, our learning also genuine to the outside market when we are going. Okay, so that also I'll guide you. Snowflake is one of the cloud warehouse tool which is very popular now in the market. Like we are going to understand that, so that like we can make these dots connected and build our profile. SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Snowflake, where you can say your client moved out of regular database practice into Snowflake, and you got a chance to explore Snowflake and learn Snowflake. That's how you're going to make your profile build, so that when you go for any interview also, it looks genuine. Clear?
Yes.
Right? Okay. Right. Let's go into practical. Let's do some, we will see how things will work out in real time. Okay. Now here, I will take my Oracle database. I'll show you some example. So can you all able to see? Here I'm trying to connect my HR data source, okay, which is from Oracle database. Okay. Let's say I want to explore a table. So I'll write a SQL. As I told you, like select from is the keywords. Okay. We'll get all the information from employees table. Since I know writing SQL, I can get all the information from my employees table. Okay. And my client requirement is they want to understand who all employees having salary greater than 10,000. So then I'll filter my data using a where class. Okay. You can see salary greater than 10,000, right? Next, they want to see who all employees having salary greater than 10,000 and they belongs to department 90. Okay, right. Let's try. Can you all able to see? There are 3 employees, Steven, Nina, and Lex, who are having salary greater than 10,000 and they belongs to department 90. Same kind of logic it is going to apply for you in your real time when you are trying to purchase something from your Amazon, when left side panel you are selecting color, it will try to apply a SQL to their database and bring you the color of your fonts. And it is going to apply for the model. If you are selecting model, so it is going to apply for the model and it is going to filter that model and give you the information. Is it clear? Suppose if I give this information for you from your Amazon website with an Excel format or some this kind of data read, you cannot understand, correct? Uh, all cannot understand, right?
అవును.
So that's why they need an visual content where it gives an easy understanding. Okay, you all understand this is how we need to learn the SQL that we will be learning from scratch in during the training. Forget about it. Okay, so this is your database structured query language. Okay, now we'll go to our reporting tool, visualization Tableau. Okay, right. So this is our Tableau. So why we can use Tableau? Tableau can connect to n number of data sources. So you can see here 71 different data sources currently Tableau is enabled with. Okay, you all can see Amazon Redshift, you can see Dropbox, like you can see MySQL, you can see MongoDB. All the connectors will be readily available. Spark SQL also you can connect. You can connect with your Snowflake, SAP HANA, all this. Okay, let's say I want to connect to my Oracle database. I want to get the information from my HR. Okay, I'm going to connect my HR connection here. Okay, now right. Can you all able to see?
Yes.
Right. I want to use three different tables for my analysis. Okay, employees I'm picking. Okay. And I want to make a join with my employees, department relations with department ID. Next, I want to prepare jobs information from employees to jobs. Okay, right. So what we have done, we have connected to Oracle database from our Tableau, and we imported data which is there in US. In India, I imported that data information by connecting to database. Okay, and I am providing a reporting solution for my client. Let's go into sheet one. Okay, you all can see here three different tables are available: employees, jobs, and department. My first requirement is, let's say, I want to rename it as report one. Okay, my first report I want to prepare. In each department, I want to see how many number of employees are working. Okay, let's say I want to pick. Can you all able to see?
Yes, Andy.
Okay, right. Now you can see here. In each department, how many employees are working, correct? So if I give you the same data information, okay, with an Excel format, it will be taking more time for you to read, right? If you are going for a meeting, correct?
Okay.
Gopi, Padma, Deepak, remaining all, I just
Yes,
want to hear.
it is difficult to find out all the things.
Right, correct? Right. Now, the main scenario here is, let's say our client want to have each and every department, okay, showcase within different color code. Okay, color codes we can add. You can see here. It's just a drag and drop tool where it helps you to make your data information enabled in a visualized format and in meaningful insight. Now this reports makes a meaningful information where from each department how many employees are working, and you can easily identify each and every department with a different color code. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go into second report. Okay. My second report, I want to prepare. Let's say job title wise, I want to see their maximum salary and minimum salary. It should showcase me in a side by side bar chart. Can you all able to see?
Yes.
You can see each and every job title, and based on that, what is their maximum salaries and minimum salaries in each job title. Correct? This is one report. I want to prepare one more report. In this report, I want to make employee name wise, their salaries should display in a tree map format. And when it is displaying in a tree map, I just want to filter top 10 employees out of their each department wise or whatever it is. So I can make top 10 filter available. So top 10 employees will be filtered, and size is also defined according to their salaries. Can you able to see? Hello?
Yeah, we can see that.
Right. Fine. Right. Next, I want to make one detailed report. Okay. In this detailed report, I want to go with department name and employee IDs and their first name, last name, job titles, salary, max salary, and minimum salary in a tabular format. So you all can see each department name wise, employee IDs, their job titles, their first name and last name, their maximum salary, minimum salary, and salary. Correct? See how
Yeah.
fast we are using our data and analyzing it. Correct? Right.
Sure.
Let's build a dashboard. Dashboard is a space where all these interactive reports can be mapped and it can be placed on a single screen for visualization presentation. Okay, right. So let's go into a dashboard, and first I'll just try to increase the width of my screen. Right. Okay. First, I'm going to add my first report. This is my first report. Okay. And second report. This is my third report. This is my fourth report. Done. Now I want to make this report work as a filter for my entire dashboard. Okay, let's try an example here. So let me go into presentation mode and see how this one will help my end user. So now any user, whoever wants to use this dashboard, how this dashboard will help them. Okay. They're having department name wise, how many employees are working, and job title. This department employees who are working in each and every department will have a job title, right? They are connected internally. Okay. Every employee will have a job title. I might be a programmer, you might be an data analyst, and someone might be an accountant, like that. Correct? Right. So I want to see who all working in IT department, and it is showing 5 employees are working. Correct? So when I select this, it filters me information, 5 employees who are working in IT department. You can see here. Correct? And it brings me information about their job titles in IT department. In IT department, we have one job title, which is programmer. Okay. In that programmer job title, what is their maximum salaries and minimum salaries? Okay. And out of that programmer department, is there anyone who belongs to top 10? Yes, there are 2 people, Alexander and David. Is it clear? Hello?
Sir.
Yes.
Right. Next, I want to see my purchase. Let's say I take purchase. See, in purchasing department, we have 2 job titles, purchasing clerk and purchasing manager. Purchasing clerk is having 27,500 and 12,500. Here you can see 15,000 and 8,000. And out of this purchasing department, there are 2 members, even they belongs to top 10 out of their departments, Alexander and Karen. And you can see 6 employees who works in your purchasing department. Clear?
Yes.
This kind of interactive insight analytics solution can be done using your visualization tools. Now you understood what is a data analysis using your visualization.
Yes.
Tableau, correct? Right.
Mm.
Let's go.
And one quick
Yes.
question, Shrikant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the difference between Tableau, using Tableau and the Power BI, is it both are similar tools, and do we have any advantage?
Next
Yeah.
I'm going to Power BI only.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
First you have seen analysis using your SQL, correct? You need to write your manual SQL. Next you have seen analysis using your Tableau, correct? Next you are going to see analysis using Power BI.
Okay.
If you learn one reporting tool in market, remember, even in future, if you get any n number of tools also, you can learn easily. Okay. I'll just tell you a life cheat code. If you want to work in your IT for a longer time, its only thing is like every day you should be like a student. That's all. Okay. No one will not read from your help anytime. Okay. Every tool, whatever it releases into the market, everything they'll keep it in help itself. If you are able to read properly the help document, even you don't need me also. Clear? But first, initially for this training, I need. Okay. So once I train you, then I can give you all the information, like how you can make yourself flexible when you are working in your projects. Okay. Don't worry on that. I'll train you on that part also. Okay. Right. Let's pick earlier we picked data from our database, right? Now I'm picking data from my Excel. Okay. Right. Here I'm picking sales information data. Okay. In Tableau, I picked HR information data. This is my Power BI, which is from Microsoft. You can see it's having 994 rows of data information, 10,000 records. In HR, we just have only 107 records. Okay, right. So let's say I want to prepare a reporting solution in my Power BI. Okay, right. See, I want to take first a bar graph. Okay, in this I want to display category wise how sales are going. And I want to display each category with a different color code. And I want to display their data values in millions. Can you all able to see?
Yes.
Right. Next, I want to prepare a donut chart which shows me next level of information. Under category, we'll have a subcategory. How subcategory wise profits and their shares are splitting. So you can see. Can you able to see? Right. Next, I want to prepare a bar and an line chart combination, okay, which brings me information out of my multiple ship modes, okay, and sales analysis and a profit analysis both in line and bar graph. Sales, it shows me with bar, and profit, it shows me with a line combination on 4 different ship modes. Can you able to see?
Yes.
For ship modes also, I can differentiate with color. I can add it into legend so that it makes it 4 different color codes. Okay, right. If not, like I can add, okay, that's fine. I'll just keep it like this. Okay, and I'll add cards for my usage. I want to see my total sales or something else, like I can add some cards here. Okay, let's prepare. We are using 2 measures, so I'll add 2 cards. One measure I want to use my sales, and other card I'll prepare. This card I'll just make it like um, and we'll do a lot of out of box dashboards in during the training, because I don't prefer regular practice. I'll just go out of box. Okay. Reason is, when we do out of box and complex requirement during the training, it will be more easy for you when you join for any job. Remember. Okay. This one is done. Now I want to prepare a tabular view. Okay. Using this tabular view, I want to prepare a detailed report. Remember, any visualization, anything, you'll have summary reports and as well as your detailed report for sure. Okay. So that's why I'm preparing all the summary reports and detailed report. Even in Tableau also, I've done the same. Okay. Right. Let's say in detailed report, I want to pick order ID and customer who placed that order and which category it belongs to and which subcategory, what is its ship mode and segment, okay, sales, quantity, profit, and discount. And even I want to add country, region, and city also. Okay, and I want to just display this with little bit catchy, so I'm just adding bold header, flashy rows. Can you all able to see? Right.
Yes.
Same like Tableau, this also works the same. Okay, on your Tableau, you have seen all this column values on your left side. and I'm picking something from my right side and all, right? Here, all the visualizations will be readily available. Even you can pick whatever visualization your client want, you can add it into your dashboard and you can prepare. Okay. So once you learn one tool, you can learn all. Same like you're driving. If you're able to drive one car, you can drive all other cars. Okay, right. Now, if you see here, I'm filtering like same like Tableau. Okay, if I'm selecting my technology, everywhere it filters me technology related information. Out of this technology, under technology, what all subcategories I'm having, based on it, their ship modes and what is their sales and profit analysis. And you can see here like it's 836154, right? See, you can see the same sales amount as well as profit also. You can see out of my technology what is its sales and what is its subcategory profit value. And even you can see here the same amounts displaying 836145. Can you able to see? It gives you accurate information. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right? Same, like suppose if I want to go much more deeper, I want to see phones information. So if I select phones, it filters me phones. You can see here technology, under category technology is getting selected. Under technology, subcategory phones, and it's filtering all the information. You can easily identify for the phones and who is the customer order, what is the order ID, and what is the sale of it, which country or city he belongs to. Every information is getting filtered here. You can see here 44, the same. Okay. 330, 330. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. This is how you can make use of your visualization to make an interactive insight, meaningful insight for the end user. Clear? Okay, these all we will learn during the training. I'm there to help you all to get hands-on. Okay, don't worry about the training part, just leave it on my shoulders. Okay, I'll make you perfect out of this training. Now if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Hey, Shrikant. Deepak here. Yeah. So yeah, this is so far so good, Shrikant. Thank you. Thanks for the visualizations and providing all the insights. And this is really good. So yeah, I did not introduce myself earlier, right? So I'm Deepak,
Yes.
and I work as a program manager.
Okay.
So yeah, as you said, right, I fall in one of those three categories which you explained.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah, freshers and having good experience and others. So the problem is I'm aware of all of these things and I do it mostly. So what is the value I get it from this one? All that I saw is the snowflake, which might be my thing. Other than snowflake, what do you suggest, or what is that
When
I'm getting value out of this?
when you know all these three skills, Deepak, I'll
Mm-mm.
suggest you learn on your own with the Snowflake. Okay, I can guide you if you want.
Oh,
Don't
okay.
waste your time. Time is very precious. Okay.
Yeah, I know.
I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
guide you like how you can go with the Snowflake. And after Snowflake, you can learn DBT, data build tool. And you can learn even Sisense, or you can learn it's a partner tool like Talend.
Okay.
Okay, so that
All right.
that's a combination where you can even like you can run your ETLs as well as data loads, everything.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So
Okay,
data build tool, what did you say that?
data build tool, DBT.
DBT is it? Okay.
Okay, that's going to help you a lot already
Mm-hmm.
if you know all this. For
Okay.
for this training, like I'm going to use Snowflake till the usage of data as well as visualization, connecting from Snowflake to Tableau and Power BI, how the reporting solution goes well with these
Mm-hmm.
combinations and all, because we need to build a profile like that. You're ahead
Okay.
of it. So you just go ahead and start working with Snowflake. Okay, I can
Mm-hmm.
guide you if you want. And you just make yourself learn DBT as well as
Mm-hmm.
other partner tools from the Snowflake point. Or if
Okay.
you want to make yourself much more, as you are a program manager, if you want to go ahead and do something different, I suggest
Mm-hmm.
you to go with Python with PySpark, okay, and go with Databricks.
Okay.
Got it?
Python with PySpark, you're saying,
In
no?
Databricks.
Okay, in Databricks. Okay, gotcha. All right.
Okay. That enables you to an open space going into data engineering.
Understood. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah,
Right?
most of the times my things are very limited to this technical skills, Shrikant. That's the reason, one of the reasons I came in here.
Mm.
So, but yeah, thanks for the inputs too. Yeah, I'll start up with the data build tool first, and eventually I go with the Python and the
Mm.
PyPy.
Even
So,
for one of my project, I started looking into Python and PySpark. I started learning. That's where like I'm helping you all,
all right, thank
just
you. Yeah,
guiding you. Okay.
uh, sure, Shrikant. Yeah, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
It's soon. Yeah, all right.
Do you have any other questions, anyone?
Yes, Srikanth, this is
Hi,
Kiran.
sir. Good morning.
Yes, please.
Yeah. How many months this course will have, sir?
It will go minimum 2.5 months course. Minimum 2.5 months. It might take.
Including project, sir? Including project.
So project is a part of training. Like we get ourselves trained with the real time project analysis, so that like you will understand everything. Project is not something like we do in a separate space. During the training itself, like I'll help you to understand how project works and all.
Acha. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I have 3 years of experience, but presently I'm working in Salesforce domain. But I
Okay.
want to be data analyst. I have a little bit idea of Python, but I don't have an idea about coding.
Hmm. Okay.
Is it possible to take this course, or is it
Yes, you can
okay?
take it SQL, Tableau, and Power BI. Salesforce, right? Already, Tableau is nothing but your Salesforce tool. You know, right?
Yeah, I have an idea Power BI, but I don't have any idea about first uh, Snowflake.
Okay. Right.
Uh,
This training goes with SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and Snowflake. Okay. So if you
oh,
want to join, and the skill like might be like whatever you have learned, whatever I am teaching, it will be an added advantage for you to look into practical.
okay, okay. What's the course fees, sir? Whole course
But
fee?
you need to check with Career IT team; they'll guide you.
Oh, acha. Okay, okay. How much package will be expect for 3 years of experience, sir?
That depends on the company and the role you are going. That I cannot help you actually.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, when will start this course, sir? When will be
That
start?
career IT team will going to help you out on that. Okay, you just need to reach out to them.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you. Kiran, you are asking some question.
Yeah, yes, Srikanth. Suppose we are working for a client, analytic teams will report generations. These generations will be used client or later they will use for end user. How it is going? Like
Sorry,
how sim.
your voice is not clear, Kiran.
Suppose we are working for one client.
Okay,
Yeah, analytic teams will generate these reports and will forward to the client. The
I'll tell you.
for end user they will provide for end
Understood. Understood.
user.
Every project, if it is analytics, suppose if you are working with Tableau or Power BI, whatever it is, OBI also. Okay, you'll get your business requirements from the business analyst team. Okay, they'll capture the requirement and they will frame it into some document, or they'll provide you the requirement information. Nowadays, most of the time, requirement information will be provided in a Jira tool assigned to your name. Okay, so that like you can interact with the user who raised that requirement. If you need any clarification, then you can, once you get the confirmation, you will be developing that in your development tool desktop. Then you will be publishing that into the server. During this training, I will teach you how we will publish into the server real time and all. Those all is a part of my training. Okay, don't worry. So once you publish that into the server, your client will be accessing based on his permission and the rules, and he'll be accessing that. He will be testing it. Once it is confirmed from the QA, then we will move that code into the production. That's the work we will be doing.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So, Bindu. Shanti, Jagdish, Padmashri, Shripati. Do you have any question?
Shrikant, so Tableau, as of now, I'm using Power BI only. So, which one is more, it's like a friendly type? Some of the users will asking visualization, it's not supported in Power BI, right? So, it's like same like in Tableau as well, or?
Each and every tool will have their own limitations and advantages. Okay.
Okay.
Just we need to go with how premium solutions it provides. That's all. Okay. It all
o-
depends on the cost, like how your company is spending on that license.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good to learn multiple visualization tools. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Shri, you're asking something.
So, what are other visualization tools? What you told to Deepak, those we need to learn for advanced learning?
Not for you. Okay.
Okay,
For
okay,
Deepak, it's a different story. Like I'll
okay.
tell you during the training, I'll guide you all. I'll show you what all other tools are there in the market and all.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you all for attending this training. If you have any questions or anything, like you can reach out to Career IT team. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
And very soon.
Thank you,
in the
Srikanth.
training. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rika. Thanks, everyone. See you.
Okay.